After leaving South Beach State Park, we head up north. And our next destination is Nehalem Bay State Park. But in between, there's a couple of fantastic stops we're going to take you on. One is the Pelican Brewing Company, and the other one is the Tillamook Cheese Factory. And both are right on Highway 101, so we don't have to detour. One thing we really enjoy doing is stopping at every brewery that we can find. It's kind of our thing. And it just so happens that it's just about lunchtime, so we're going to go in and we're going to try ourselves a beer, and we're going to enjoy some beer food along with that for lunch. And it's going to be here at Pelican Bay Brewing Company. The food and beer was excellent, by the way. I was really quite impressed with the open concept kitchen that they have. It was really big, it was impressive, and it's spotlessly clean. And it's always so much fun watching all the cooks do their preparations behind the counter. They also have a really nice full bar with many, many taps. Now it's around 11:30 in the morning, and there were people waiting online to get in. You're also going to find a really nice gift shop where they have quite a bit of swag. And adjacent to the Pelican Brewing Company is the Phil's Nest Signature Crab Boil. And it's an indoor-outdoor space where you can get a hands-on signature Pacific Northwest crab boil and crack into Dungeness crab, steamed clams, cold water prawns, and more. Whether you're just stopping by or waiting for a brew pub spot, take a seat by the fireplace and enjoy fresh brew while breathing in the ocean breezes. And did I say this place has some fantastic views of Nehalem Bay, whether you're sitting out on the patio or inside the brewing company. It's all glass windows, so you won't miss any of the views. And Nehalem Bay is really quite stunning. Well, our next stop up the Oregon coast on Highway 101 is the Tillamook Creamery, and it's about an hour and 5 minutes from the Pelican Brewing Company. Again, it is right on Highway 101. The Tillamook Creamery is a huge facility, and they do have tons of parking. So when you enter, you can either go downstairs and there's a lot of eats, or you can head right upstairs like we did, and you can walk right into the self-guided tour. You're also going to find an area to the right that offers cheese samples, and it's so nice the way they do the cheese samples because they have them all in individually wrapped packets, which makes it so sanitary, especially for the large amounts of people that come here. And then from the sample deck, you can look down and you can see a gigantic gift shop, and they have a lot of neat goodies down there as well. The Tillamook Cheese Factory has been around for over 110 years, and they boast that they have stood behind their honest values as farmers/owners. And it's from them that they've learned passion can't be faked, hard work can't be outsmarted, and real food is worth fighting for. They say it's been a part of their journey since the very beginning, and it's how they're working toward dairy done right. They say when you get right down to it, being good stewards starts with a sense of caring. They believe that caring for cows and farms, for people and products, for their community and their environment is not just about smart business, it's about staying true to their values. The Tillamook Creamery also has very high standards from start to finish. That's how the cheesemakers win awards, they say. Their milk inspector, Guy Ford, who is a former farmer, make sure dairy farmers keep everything on the farm up to TCCA quality standards. And their cheese inspector, Fred Christensen, visits every TCCA creamery grading the cheese. After the self-guided tour, we head downstairs and we get online to get ourselves a nice ice cream cone that's also made here at Tillamook, and the ice cream is delicious. We've been buying it for years, as well as the cheese. The lines look like they're really long, but they have everything moving so quickly. You won't be disappointed how fast the lines go. They also serve wonderful grilled cheese sandwiches, Cubano sandwiches. There's quite a bit of eats down there, and naturally, it all has something to do with the cheese. If you go to Tillamook.com, you're going to find a lot of information on the Tillamook Creamery, and they also offer a host of recipes that you might enjoy. You've been road trekking with Row and Low. I hope you enjoyed my segment on Pelican Brewing Company and the Tillamook Creamery heading up north on the Oregon coast on Highway 101. It's been a fantastic little day trip heading over to Nehalem Bay State Park. And there's quite a few other adventures on this Highway 101 between these two places. So if you have the time, definitely check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe, please do. We'll look forward to having you next time.